The process involves placing a liquid mixture in a heated flask connected to a condenser, where vapor travels through and cools down, then drips into a collection flask. The essential equipment includes a round-bottom flask, heating mantle, thermometer, condenser, collection flask, and rubber or glass tubing for water flow. Let me tell you, setting up distillation equipment in the lab is like building with the world's most expensive Lego set. We start with our main flask, that's where the magic begins. The thermometer acts like a referee, telling us when we've hit the right temperature. Then we have the condenser. My students call it the time machine because it turns vapor back into liquid. It's basically a tube within a tube, with cold water running through the outer jacket. I always tell my students it's like a water-cooled gaming PC, but instead of keeping your graphics card cool, we're turning vapor back into liquid. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.